This is Blair with Cora Medical, home of AED.us, and today we're going to go over how to change the pads and battery in the Philips FRx AED. To prepare for an emergency, you want to keep the electrodes connected to the unit at all times. The pads have a 2-year expiration. The expiration date is located on the outside of the package. You're going to change the pads at the time of expiration or if you use the AED. To install or replace the adult electrode pads, open the case if you have one, and then you pull this from the Velcro inside the case. Once you have that extended, pull the tab, get your new pads, and plug in the connection. The battery has a 4-year warranty. The expiration date and the install date are both listed on the outside of this battery. To install or replace the battery, if you have the case, you pull that from the case and flip the AED over. You press the battery in until you hear it click. Now just so you know, once I do this, it's going to start a self-test that could take up to a minute. I'm going to skip that step so that you can hear me, but if you're doing this at home or at your business, you want to do that step. So we're going to press till we hear it click.
Beginning self-test.
Once you change the pads and batteries, verify the rescue indicator is flashing green and the AED is ready for rescue. If you have any questions or want to go over purchasing options, please feel free to give us a call at 800-695-1209 or go online to www.aed.us. Thanks for watching.